Hello, ma'am. What's your name?
Sat Sahib, my name is Manjeeta.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from London itself.
Okay. So today we are here in the satsang of Sant Rampalji Maharaj. So what are your views about the flood relief and the Annapurna Muhim, which is currently trending in India, especially in Haryana and Punjab?
Thank you very much for the question. Well, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has started this Annapurna Mahim, which has been going for a while now. And with that, he's actually managed to reach out to the people who are needy, who are not capable of doing things themselves. And the whole society and the government has completely neglected them. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has stepped up and actually given them everything like food, education, treatment, shelter, everything that their requirement is, from a small like utensils to a massive house, is given everything to them for free. So that is not a capability of a normal human being. Sant Rampalji has been a masiha of all them people who are in need around Haryana, Punjab, and other parts of India as well. And the other question you asked about the relief, that flood relief project that you're talking about. So when the entire villages of Haryana, Punjab, Himachal, and other surrounding areas were completely drenched in water, flooded, and there was no one who could step up, and people were thinking about killing themselves because the entire crops got destroyed. There was no one coming for their relief, and even the leaders of within the GAM was like completely helpless. Sant Rampalji Maharaj stepped up again, yet again, and he basically gave them everything that they required, including the basic needs. He fulfilled all of their needs. He actually provided them the entire drainage management facilities, which included pipes, the motors, everything, you name it. He gave everything to them overnight. All the followers worked day and night and gave them all the requirements for getting off from the flood.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.